Plant everything at once and you'll have nothing to harvest for weeks, then everything ripens at the same time. Succession planting fixes this. Sow the same crop every 2 to 3 weeks for a steady supply all season long. Step 1. Choose fast-growing crops. Lettuce, spinach, radishes, beans, and chard mature in 30 to 60 days, perfect for succession planting. Slow crops like cabbage or cauliflower won't work. Step 2. Mark your planting calendar. Write down the maturity date for your crop. If lettuce matures in 45 days, count back from your first frost date. Then plant every 2 to 3 weeks before that deadline. Step 3. Prepare small sections of soil. Don't replant your entire bed. Use a 2-foot row or container. This keeps succession plantings organized and prevents overcrowding. Step 4. Sow seeds directly into soil at the recommended depth, usually 1/4 to 1/2 inch for small seeds. Water gently and consistently. 2 weeks later, prepare another section and repeat. Pro tip: don't plant your final round too late. It won't mature before frost. Stop planting 8 to 10 weeks before your first frost date. What crop are you succession planting first? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.